How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we're going to go over something that I'm super excited about. It's our very own beginner tool set. So stay tuned. As you guys may know, we recently started offering our 2-day beginner training program. And with that, we have a lot of questions that come after the class, which is, what set of tools should I buy? After scavenging the tool manufacturers, we really couldn't recommend any one manufacturer. So we decided to join up with A1 Tools, John and Maria over there, and they put together a kit for all the training tools that you need as a beginner. So let's go over them. So it was an absolute blessing to be able to work with A1 Tools. They've been in this industry longer than I've been a tech, so that is 15 years plus. I think there's somewhere around 30 years of building quality tools for technicians. So very well known in the industry, and we thought it was a great fit. Also, if you want to further your career, invest in more tools. They have a wide variety of tools. Obviously, this is not all the tools you're gonna need forever, but this is a good starter kit when you go through our training platform, or a great companion to our ebook that will be coming out very shortly. I don't want to talk much about it in this video, but if you buy the tools from A1 or from our link, you will get our free ebook. If you're interested in the ebook by itself, the link will be in the description below, but there'll be a whole nother video explaining our ebook and what's inside of that. So let's go over the tools. Now, first off, all the tools are made with stainless steel. I'm not an engineer. I don't build these myself, but they do not rust. You won't have any issues with that. And to me, that's a little bit of a pet peeve of mine. I hate seeing my tools all rusty. So being stainless steel, you won't ever have that problem. So first off, we have this is what they call a single bend. It is a 36-inch in length, pretty much straightforward tool. When you go through our training program, we don't recommend you using any tape or any of that. So this is just a bullet tip, and this is what we recommend. Hey guys, Future Chris here, and I want to show you why we chose this particular brand of tools more so than what you can get off of like Amazon or from other training centers. So I feel like the most important thing when you're learning PDR is having a very stable and sturdy tool, something that gives you great feedback, but also moves the metal in a way that is consistent. This is a tool you just get right off of Amazon. Quickly, you can notice the difference in handle. There's nothing wrong with this handle, but as you're learning PDR, your hand placement is not always correct with this type of design. This just allows you to just more comfortable grip. So you got that aspect. Then if you come down to the head, you'll see that this has the sharper tip, which allows for the tool placement to be more precise than something as blunt as this. There's a time and place for this, and it's not for training. But the most important thing is the feedback and flex differences that you will have in these two tools. What you will notice is that our tools has at least 50% less flex, allowing you to get the correct feedback and have consistency on the amount of pressure that you need to apply to actually get the 3 stages of the dent repair. Hey guys, I just want to interject and briefly explain how the tools will be used in an actual setting of us repairing an aluminum hood. So now back to that video. We also have its little brother, which is a 24-inch, just to get anything that is a little closer to you. And so that if you were using this as an example, you can kind of set back and your arm won't be this far away. You can actually come up on the dent because it's all about visual. So you can kind of get a little closer to the dent and be able to repair it. So got the little brother. Some hoods allow your leverage point to be a little lower. So we decided to incorporate a double bend. This is a 24-inch double bend. So to make sure we cover all bases. And these are some interesting tools, and we debated to leave them out, but I think it's a very necessary tool to have for beginner techs. There's a right and left to it. One is a double bend, a little longer. These are what mostly hail guys use. So if you're looking to get into the industry and primarily do hail damage, you will love these tools. So again, a right and left, and these are what they call brace tools. So it gets in between the brace or uses the access holes that are underneath the hood. These tools are designed for you to work with a hood, a training hood, and to be able to have everything you need to work around that hood and practice. But it's not where they stop. These tools will become the backbone of your set, and you will use them practically every day in an array of settings. So this is a beginner set, but a starter set, because it's not like you will just throw these tools away. So this one is probably pretty obvious. It's called a whale tail. This is what allows you to slide in between brace and you do a twisting motion. Everything will be in our book. Again, this kit comes alongside with our ebook. So if you're looking to get into the industry and you want to practice, to me, this is a complete set for training. And then alongside it with the ebook, it's a match made in heaven. So whale tail, this is a 20-inch whale tail lengthwise. So it's that happy medium. And it's a 1-inch head on this one. So a kit would not be complete without a knockdown hammer and a knockdown. So the two different ways you can use this. Again, we go over this in our ebook. So you have this way, and then I like to use it this way. It just gives me a better grip on the head. The blow is a little different, but we, again, go over in our handbook with that. The only other accessory that comes with this is hooks. So when you need a mounting point, this hook adds that ability, and you basically slide the tool in between here, and then you leverage off of it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, this kit is designed for training, but everything in this kit, every single technician owns or version of it, and will be happy to have these tools in their toolbox on a daily basis. So, oh, I almost forgot. We have a PDR Light. Now we chose to go with the limited 14-inch. This comes with 3 light switch. So you get the warm, the cool, and the warm and cool, and then again, 3 strips. And I'll turn this in. The suction cup is the new model suction cup. Still the pump option. But other than that, it's a great light. You can swap out lens. So there's a little slot to swap out lens. This is the indoor lens, and you can transition to the outdoor lens once you start to become more involved in PDR and you work outside and stuff like that. The outdoor lens is perfect. So my guys and my team, we work with a 14-inch and a 20-inch from a Limited, so they pretty much have both. The 14-inch tends to keep their outdoor lens, and then the 20-inch tends to keep their indoor lens because they primarily want a little longer as they work some bigger dents. But this is the basis of the light. Again, it's one of the most popular lights on the market right now. Now, if you guys have any questions about the tools here, please leave a comment below. If you even recommend some tools to add to this kit, please leave a comment below for that. Hey, I appreciate all the feedback. Look for that ebook. There will be a link below also for the ebook. Most likely, if you're seeing this video, it is already out. And if you are looking to purchase these tools, they'll be on our store and also A1 store exclusively. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. We have much more in store once we move into our new shop. But for right now, hopefully you're enjoying all of our videos that are coming out thus far. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.
Wow, I actually do have to put a lot of pressure on the back of this tool to get literally the same effect as I just had with this other tool in my hand. I'm getting more fatigued on this side just from having to push down, which is creating instability at the front end, like Chris just said. It's crazy. Now this tool's a little longer, but still, I mean, the power I have with this is, I could tell it's not just from the length, it's in the actual tool, it's in the metal of the tool that's not giving me that flex.